Hi, I'm Chris, and today I'll show you ClientCircle when integrated with Lightspeed Voice. This integration allows you to set up two-way sync of text messages between Lightspeed Voice and ClientCircle. To get started, within Quantum, navigate to Integrations under Management, Lead Settings, and Integrations. To set up a new integration, click the plus icon in the upper right corner. Then, enter the integration name as ClientCircle and select ClientCircle as the vendor. Let's now determine which users in your office should have access to this integration. To do this, under the Users section, click the toggle button next to the name of any user you want to grant access. If you want to grant access to all users, click on the Select All option and then click on the three dots to assign them all at once. To authenticate your connection to ClientCircle, navigate to their dashboard and click on Settings at the bottom left side menu. Then select Texting. In the upper right corner, click the plus icon to set up two-way texting on a number. Choose Existing, and then click on Lightspeed Voice. You'll need to click Authorize to complete the process. Afterward, you'll see your numbers that are with Lightspeed Voice loaded in. Choose the number you'd like to use and select a primary employee to continue the setup. Make the remaining choices and click Save and Continue. After this, return to Quantum and click the refresh icon under My Authentication. You should now see the integration completed. In Lightspeed Voice, when you send a text message to your contact, it will automatically sync to your conversations with that contact in ClientCircle. This works both ways, so if you send your messages from ClientCircle, they will also be available in Lightspeed Voice. This has been setting up our ClientCircle integration, and thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice.